The call for sustainability is no longer a distant whisper. It is a loud, clear demand echoing across our cities and villages. For Indian businesses, especially our small enterprises and medium enterprises, this is a critical moment. We stand at a crossroads where environmental responsibility intersects with economic opportunity. Going green is not just a trend for large corporations. It is a necessary strategy for survival and growth in a world grappling with climate change. Our rivers are polluted, our air quality is a constant concern, our natural resources are under immense pressure. Businesses are a fundamental part of this equation. They must become part of the solution. The urgency is real and rooted in our daily lives. Energy is the lifeblood of any business, but it is also a major cost and as to energy-efficient lighting. Replacing old incandescent bulbs and fluorescent tubes with LED lights is a small investment with a huge payback. LEDs consume up to 80% less energy and last much longer. Imagine a small textile unit in Tirupur making this switch, or a local kirana store in Delhi switching to LEDs. The reduction in their monthly electricity bill is immediate and substantial, freeing up capital for other needs. Beyond lighting, businesses must look at their other equipment. Regular maintenance of machinery is crucial. Regular maintenance of air conditioners is crucial. Regular maintenance of refrigeration units is crucial. A poorly maintained machine consumes more power to deliver the same output. Simple actions like cleaning AC filters regularly, ensuring refrigerators are not placed near heat sources, and turning off equipment when not in use can lead to significant energy savings. This is not about complex technology. It is about creating a culture of mindfulness. Staff should be trained to be energy conscious, making it a collective responsibility to switch off lights and fans in empty rooms. In India, we have a long tradition of jugaad, finding ingenious solutions with limited resources. This spirit can be channeled to tackle business waste. The traditional take, make, dispose model is no longer sustainable. We must move to a circular economy where waste is a resource. For any Indian business, first do a simple waste audit. Look into your dustbins. What are you throwing away? Paper, plastic, food scraps, manufacturing offcuts. Understanding what you waste is the first step. Then implement reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce waste at the source. A small restaurant in Mumbai can plan its menu, manage inventory to cut food waste. An office can go paperless with digital communication and invoicing. Reuse materials where possible. Reuse cardboard boxes. Reuse bubble wrap. Repair old furniture instead of discarding. Reuse saves money and resources. You know, the materials a business uses really define its environmental footprint. From the raw ingredients in a food product to the packaging it comes in, every choice matters. For Indian businesses, a powerful strategy is to prioritize local sourcing. Buying materials from nearby suppliers reduces transportation costs and the associated carbon emissions. It also strengthens the local economy and builds a resilient supply chain. The path to a green economy in India is not a burden, but actually a tremendous opportunity. It's a chance to innovate, create new markets, build businesses that are not only profitable, but purposeful. The narrative that environmental protection comes at the cost of economic growth is outdated and false. As we've seen, the opposite is true. Energy efficiency reduces operational costs. Waste management creates new revenue streams. Sustainable sourcing builds brand loyalty. For Indian SMEs, embracing these practices is the key to becoming more competitive, resilient, future-ready. Government and financial institutions also have a role to play in accelerating this transition. Policies that incentivize green investments, provide subsidies for solar installations, and simplify regulations for waste management can empower more businesses to make the shift. Banks, non-banking financial companies, can offer green loans with favorable terms for businesses looking to invest in sustainable technologies. The success of initiatives like the National Clean Energy Fund shows that targeted financial support can drive significant change.